I just got Invisalign put on today, and I had a lot of questions leading up to this decision. If this is something you're thinking about doing too, I'm sure you also want to know a little bit about it, so I'm going to share with you my experience so far, and I will also post more videos about the rest of the journey with Invisalign. Subscribe to stay up to date with those to help you with your decision. I had braces before when I was like 16. I lost my retainers after that. So for about probably like 5 or 7 years, I didn't have my retainer in, and I had this one tooth that really bugged me because it like receded back, and it sort of has this shadow in all my photos, and it's something that is pretty minor if you see me in person, but it's something that really bugs me. I knew I wanted to do Invisalign. I had my first appointment in December where they took imaging and did a mold in my mouth. And it took about a month to get the trays. I went into my appointment this morning and they showed me the images on the laptop of my current smile to like the end result. So that was kind of cool to see. I did notice that it had these little buttons on the image, and they said they had to actually put that on my teeth, which I was surprised about, but I still thought it was going to be invisible, sort of like the advertisements say, and it's in the name, Invisalign. It took about an hour. They had to put this like chemical on top and set it, and then they had me just put the trays in, and when I looked in the mirror, I was so shocked that I could actually see it. Like, it is pretty chunky plastic and the buttons do protrude, so I almost wanted to take it off immediately, but I only have to go for 16 weeks, so I think it will be worth it in the end. So for my first day of wearing these Invisalign trays, my teeth feel like they're definitely moving. It feels really tight. It hurts a lot, and it's sort of this constant pain. My dentist did warn me that it would be, for the first 2 or 3 days, it would be the worst. It's made me really kind of exhausted just because I like have this constant feeling in my mouth of just like my teeth moving and the pain that it's causing. They are going to have me change my tray once a week on Monday at night so that I can sort of endure the pain while I'm sleeping. I have to wear the trays for at least 20 hours, but she prefers that I wear it for 22 hours. Whenever I want to eat or drink something other than water, I have to take the trays out, scrub them with a toothbrush specifically for them, and just use soap and water to sort of keep it clean. After I eat and drink, I have to floss and brush my teeth because you really want to make sure there's no debris on your teeth when you put the trays back in, because the trays will act sort of like a petri dish. After my appointment, the dentist gave me this Invisalign bag, which has all my trays for 4 weeks in it. And she actually had me do a 4-week follow-up to make sure that I'm wearing the Invisalign 20 to 22 hours and that my teeth are adapting to it. And then she said she'll give me the rest of the trays and just sync up my appointment with my cleaning. So I'll let you know how that follow-up appointment goes. I also got this box, and it has a little bit of a cleaning solution, this case. So the case is magnetic, and this is what you kind of store the Invisalign in while you're eating or brushing your teeth, and you can put it in your purse. It's magnetic, so it's easy to carry around. So my time commitment is 16 weeks. That's all it would take for me to fix the issue that I had. As I mentioned before, I will have follow-up videos to let you know how this journey continues. If you have any specific questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.